Recently, rumors have surfaced that the PiCore team is developing an ecosystem map in China with the capability to connect to all nearby physical stores to support Pi payment services. These rumors also suggest that many ecologists who are not tech-savvy may not have access to these services. Additionally, the Mainnet migration is reportedly set to take place in the near future. The rumor about the Pi network ecosystem map being hosted in China has garnered significant attention. This map is said to integrate various physical stores around users, enabling them to conduct transactions using PiCoin. If true, this would mark a substantial step forward in expanding the adoption of PiCoin as a daily payment method. You are welcome to Crypto World Educate. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe and the like buttons. This helps us to reach other pioneers around the world. Despite the promise of this innovation, concerns have been raised that many ecologists who lack technological expertise may struggle to take full advantage of these services. Limited tech knowledge could be a barrier for some users to fully participate in the Pi network ecosystem. In addition to the ecosystem map rumors, another major development is the anticipated Mainnet migration. This migration is a critical milestone in Pi Network's journey towards full decentralization and broader usage. The Mainnet migration process will allow PiCoin to operate independently with its own blockchain network. These rumors have heightened the hopes of Pi Network pioneers. However, as with any significant change, there are challenges to be addressed. The Pi Network must ensure that all users, including those less familiar with technology, can participate and benefit from these advancements. Today, Pi Network has experienced a significant surge in their price on the leading trading platform. In the latest trading session, Pi Network has shown notable volatility, reaching a high of $1.959.29 and a low of $1.942.91. Currently, the price is stable at around $1.944, reflecting dynamic changes in market interest for this crypto asset. This significant price spike is primarily driven by strong buying activity from investors. The peak price of $1.959.29 indicates robust interest and optimism regarding Pi Network's prospects in the cryptocurrency market. Conversely, the low of $1.942.91 suggests balanced selling pressure, reflecting healthy trading dynamics on Binance. Several factors influencing Pi Network's price movement include global market sentiment towards cryptocurrencies, recent news about the Pi Network project, and high trading volumes on the Binance platform. These factors collectively play a crucial role in shaping price trends and investor interest in Pi Network. In the short term, price spikes like those seen in Pi Network often lead to additional volatility. Investors may view this as an opportunity to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. Moreover, high trading activity can create further price momentum. Depending on market reactions to recent news and trends, long-term sustained price spikes can indicate strong fundamentals behind the Pi Network project. This could attract interest from institutional investors and larger players seeking long-term investments in the cryptocurrency market. Furthermore, price increases can strengthen Pi Network's position in the global blockchain ecosystem, facilitating further platform development and broader adoption across various economic sectors. Recent news about Pi Network's technological advancements, integration with the global financial system, and future projections can significantly impact price movements. Launches of new features, integration with major trading platforms, or announcements of strategic partnerships can trigger substantial price spikes. With the current price at $1.944 and reaching a high of $1.959.29 on the Binance platform, Pi Network demonstrates strong performance in the cryptocurrency market. This significant price surge reflects investor optimism about Pi Network's long-term prospects and the strong fundamentals driving it. Investors and market observers are advised to remain vigilant against short-term price fluctuations while recognizing the long-term potential of this project. Monitoring the latest news and market trends will be crucial in making informed investment decisions within this evolving cryptocurrency ecosystem. With the current price at $1.944 and reaching a high of $1.959.29 on the Binance platform, Pi Network demonstrates strong performance in the cryptocurrency market. This significant price surge reflects investor optimism about Pi Network's long-term prospects and the strong fundamentals driving it. Investors and market observers are advised to remain vigilant against short-term price fluctuations while recognizing the long-term potential of this project. Monitoring the latest news and market trends will be crucial in making informed investment decisions within this evolving cryptocurrency ecosystem.